Yes, I know, Noah. Wow, that's nice. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's like January 8th, I think, around there. You guys remember about 2 years ago, I sold this tractor. This tractor is just a hauler. I got it for free off the street somewhere. I don't even remember because it was so long ago. It's a Scotch by John Deere. They had a few versions of it. This one is like the earliest version of it. Has a Kohler Command 15 horsepower engine in it, and it didn't have a deck. And so I got it running and I sold it as a hauler. And some person in Selden, Long Island, bought it because they have a horse in their backyard. And they used this hauler to drag around a trailer that had hay and manure and whatever they haul around a barn, you know? And so they used it for a couple of years, and then recently, a few months ago, the owner called me up and says they don't really need it anymore. It's been sitting in the barn for a while, and it won't start anymore. We're gonna throw it out if you don't want it. And I says, I'm gonna recycle this thing again. So I took my van, which I no longer have. Stay tuned for my new vehicle video soon. Anyway, so I went back and, oh, actually, you guys saw it already. See, I don't even remember. Anyway, so a guy's coming now to come and look at it. I had taken out the, when I got it back from her, all it needed was a jump start, and it ran just fine, you know. So there was really nothing wrong with it. The left front tire needed to be inflated again is all. You know, I hope it's still up now. So right now I'm going to go to the backyard and I'm going to put the battery in. This is the battery that I had bought for that tractor 2 years ago. It had, of course, lost its charge over the time that they didn't use it. I just recharged it with my smart battery charger, and believe it or not, after a couple of days of charging it, it's at 100% health and 100% charge. So it's a good battery. I'm going to take the battery, install it back into the tractor again, bring my inflator with me in case it's down, and then we'll drive it to the front and hopefully we'll sell it. I have it listed for $375. I had originally sold it for $300, but I charged the lady $75 to deliver it. So I figure I'd just keep it at $375 without delivery. So we'll see what happens. I hope I can sell it again and get rid of it. Oh, old age. So I'm back here now in my mess of equipment still left because my shed blew away, remember? And I haven't put it back up again. Rear tire's okay. Left tire's okay. Right tire, believe it or not, held air after I inflated it. And this is good too. Put the battery in. And now I'm gonna start it up. I put a plastic bag over the engine for the winter. It's 36 degrees or something. Oh, I had a fuel shutoff too, that's good. Trickle, trickle, trickle. I think it has plenty of gassage in it. Yeah, plenty of gas, so it should be trickling into the carburetor. Check the oil is fine. Let's see if it starts. I don't want the battery to die-ski again. I should have brought some primer. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some primer just to see. It should start though. I don't get it. Okay, I took the air cleaner off. I had to do this when I first got it back again. I mean, it is 32 degrees, and as you can see, the left front is Gouda. Nice. Yeah. There you go. No problem. Does it start back up again? That's a choke it after that? Uh-oh. Doesn't really start that easy, does it? Okay. It starts with primer, and if you choke it all the time. Let's see what the guy says. I'll keep the starting fluid handy. Putting a little bit of air in the rear tire, and it seems to just start just fine. Let's try it again. Choke it a little. guys. Father and son came with a Ram dually. They had a fifth wheel knob in the center of the bed, and they almost look like stepladder type ramps. It was really short, and that dually was really high. So he had a hand winch, and we also helped push it up. It was really interesting. He could have put an electric winch and got longer ramps. That would have made it way easier. But he can have his own Mowers and Blowers channel someday and figure out that that's easier. He offered me $300. I had it listed for $375. And of course, you have to try to get as much as you can, right? And so I said, no, I can't do 300. Why don't we kind of meet in the middle? You know I'll sell this thing in the spring, no problem. But right now it's winter time, so you're getting a better deal. He's like, yeah, I know. So I said, how about 350? Listen, you can't even get a tank of gas for 50 bucks, you know what I mean? So gave me 350. I'm stoked because all I did was pick it up from the lady and sprayed primer in it to start. I didn't do anything to it. Parked it back there, did the same thing this morning, and you know, it runs fine. So all in all, I sold that tractor 2 years ago for $375, and today I sold it for $350. That's crazy. Selling a tractor twice. Who does that? Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on today's sell a tractor in the middle of winter. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. My name's Henry.
Mowers and Blowers.
Mowers and Blowers.